Hello friends, this is Gaurav from TravellinGeek, and after a long time I have a new video for all of you. This is the unboxing of the Xiaomi's latest sub-brand POCOPHONE, and this is their first device in the global market called the F1. The POCOPHONE F1 which I bought is the 6GB with a 120GB storage variant. I haven't bought the 8GB 256GB variant because it was not available on the sale, and I personally feel that at this price point of just 22,999, obviously with the 1K discount on the first sale, or even the normal price, that's a 23,999 price, the 120GB edition is actually far more value for money than the 8GB 256GB edition. So let's find out the packaging. This is a direct package I received today from the Xiaomi. I bought it yesterday, which was the first India sale, and this is also the first sale in the world of this device, that's a POCOPHONE F1. So let's open the packaging. Inside this we have another box that is from the packaging. It's a Mi box, it's cool, and here we have the brand new POCOPHONE. The first sale was available on Flipkart as well as on the Mi.com. I bought the graphite black edition. You can see it's a 6GB 128GB one. Let's see what's on the box. As you all of know that this is powered by the flagship Qualcomm chip, that's a Snapdragon 845. This comes with a liquid cooling, and this dual camera straight taken from, the primary camera of the 12MP is straight taken from the Xiaomi's flagship Mi 8. This comes with a huge 4000 mAh battery with a quick charge 3 support, and some small things which are really important, that this comes with a hybrid slot. This also has a dual VoLT. This is having a 6.18 inches of notch screen. The aspect ratio is a bit weird. As you can see, it's 18.7.9. It's a FHD plus screen. So as you can see, this is a made in India phone, so not imported or not manufactured in China, but assembled in India, or I can say that made in India. So let's not waste the time and open this box. So guys, here is the POCO F1 by, as you can see, it's written by Xiaomi. So what's here inside in this box? So we get one silicone case, that's a TPU and silicone combination case. Then we have a usual quick start guide and a warranty guide. So this is not in English. Yeah, it is the warranty thing, handset warranty. This comes with a 1-year warranty on the hardware, and basically the original battery and the charger and everything is full just for the 6 months. This is sad because the battery is inbuilt, so basically they should give at least the 1-year warranty on the battery too. All the big brands like the Samsung, LG, they actually give 1-year warranty on the inbuilt batteries inside their phones. This is basically a user guide. As you can see, this is the POCO F1 user guide, and they have certain things written here that it's having the hybrid SIM card slot. Also a few things written like it's a dual 4G SIM, requires support of local telecom operator and all that. So okay, that's fine. Let's go ahead, just keep this aside. So is that the only thing in it? Yeah. So most importantly, this is a retail version and not a reviewer's version. As you have seen a lot of unboxings of the POCO F1 which are actually by many YouTube bloggers and the reviewers, and they received a 8GB and 256GB Kevlar edition. That's a reviewer's edition phone. So this is actually what you get when you buy the phone from the Mi India site or the Flipkart. So as you can see, they are talking about the dual hybrid SIM card slots. The camera lens is protected. Okay, I just removed it. Fine. It's POCO, the IMEI numbers here, and normal thing. Okay, so what's inside the box? We have a charger, a SIM card ejector tool, and okay, so this is a Type-C cable, a USB to Type-C cable, and here we have the charger. And as Jayamani said, this is supposed to be a quick charge 3 charger. So let's see. Yes, the charger is also made in India, and as you can see, it's a 5 volt 3 ampere, or the 9 volt 2 ampere, or the 12 volt 1.5 ampere. So this is a POCO charger, and this is a quick charge 3 certified. So that's great, guys. So I'm keeping this aside, and let's start the phone. This is a very bright screen. As you can see, even in the indoor light, the display is very bright. It's preloaded with the MIUI 9. So let me do the basic stuff and just go ahead with the. Can I skip this? No, you can't. You have to go to the. So guys, here we have a couple of themes. That's the new POCO theme for the POCO F1. We have now the MIUI 9 default theme, and also another theme from the MIUI 9, that's a limitless. I'm selecting the standard POCO theme. So here we have, basically it's saying get started, allow to access internal storage, and okay, fine, allow. I'm giving all the permission, and here we have the POCOPHONE F1 display. It's having basically a polycarbonate body. It's a plastic actually, but it's a really nice feel into the hand. I mean, believe me, it's not a metal, but actually I'm quite happy with it. Oh, I think it's gone to Xiaomi. Yeah, the display seems nice, and it's really very bright. As you can see, it's going really bright on the camera. I have to reduce the brightness almost all to the just to 25% kind of thing, so you can see the display. So here we have the SIM tray. So at the back we have a 12 MP 1.4 micron Sony's IMX363 flagship camera sensor, along with the aperture of f1.9. This camera lacks the OIS, but they have given the EIS for the video. The secondary sensor is just a 5 MP depth sensor for all those bokeh shots. Then we have the fingerprint sensor, which this design actually gives a really nice feel to the touch. Here we have a dual LED flash, but these are not dual tone. It's just a standard dual LED flash. On the top we have a 3.5mm jack. Thank God it's there. Then we have the secondary microphone. There is no IR Blaster anymore. Then at the bottom we have basically one is a speaker. I think this one is a speaker, the Type-C port screws, and this is just a design for the symmetry, and most probably the primary mic is hidden over here. So guys, this is the POCOPHONE F1. I will also show you the onboard storage available, and which version of MIUI they are actually shipping with the retail editions. Okay, let's check the. So the good thing is that it's running Android version 8.1 out of the box. It's having 1st July security patch. It's a MIUI Global 9.6. It's a stable edition, and this is especially designed for the POCO F1. We have the Snapdragon 845 octa-core 2.8 GHz chip, 6 GB RAM, 120 GB edition, and as you can see, out of 128, 117.61 GB is actually available. Okay guys, so let's see which applications are preloaded in this phone. We have the typical Mi Store, then we have a UC browser. That community is fine, that's part of the Mi. Then we have the Amazon shop, this Amazon store, the phone page is here, Daily Hunt, Netflix, Facebook. Let's see what's here. Then we have the Microsoft apps. Okay, fine. So let's see if we can uninstall these apps. Go to app info, and yes, it's possible to uninstall. That's really great. because I really don't want these apps like the, yes, I can install. Let's see whether we can uninstall the, yes, even the Facebook can be uninstalled. Cool. What about on Netflix? That's good. Seems I can actually uninstall everything, whatever they had installed out of the box. Yes. That's great. I want the Mi Store and the community app. So now let's check out how much storage we could able to gain after uninstalling all those apps. So now it's 118.24 GB. So out of 120 GB we have just lost 10 GB, and the user still gets a complete 118.24 GB to the use. So thanks a lot guys watching this unboxing video of the POCOPHONE F1 120 GB retail edition. If you like this video, do click on the like button as well as the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for all the future videos. I will keep posting different videos about the POCO F1. This is Gaurav signing off for TravellinGeek. Thank you.